Hey everyone, this is the Figma website. I want everyone to understand what Figma actually is. So Figma is free. There are some paid plans and I'll get into that, but Figma is free. It allows you to create amazing UIs, it allows you to collaborate with your team really easily, and allows you to prototype and get feedback, and it's an easy handoff for developers. Let's jump right in so I can show you. So this is their website. Now, some of you may be using the web browser to log in, and you're going to sign up here and log in here. But if you're really interested in using something like FigJam, which is one of the other Figma products, you can use FigJam here as well. It'll allow you to easily brainstorm. It's a really great tool. But one of the great things about Figma is the ability to just bring your ideas to life. Whether that's just creating, iterating, and repeating that whole process, Figma allows you to create some really beautiful designs. I think one of the other great things is the collaboration aspect. As you can see just in this little illustration over here, you have two people working together. You can see comments. It's great for getting feedback. If you're a design system nerd like myself, I know this may not make sense to some of you, but design systems are really powerful. They allow you to create components. They allow you to, use those components everywhere. And there are some different distinctions between how you can use components within Figma, and I'll get into that. But components are really powerful. It really is great to work with developers on how to use these components, what they look like, what their different states are. It's really great. And the last part is developers can easily come in here and understand what exactly makes up one of your designs. Whether it's like a UI element that they're clicking on, they want to know maybe position, they want to know if there's a border radius. They can get all this CSS from Figma as well. So Figma is a great tool that'll allow you to work with your entire team, whether it's strategy, design, and even development. Another great thing about Figma is that they have a bunch of resources. I'm going to get into what is the community, but you can get files and templates, plugins and widgets. It's amazing. It'll really help speed up your workflow and share some of your designs even with the community. It's a really great place.